y'all, I'm Elaine and welcome to my kitchen. Well, today I'm going to make a strawberry dessert, and I'm going to be using that cream cheese pound cake that I made yesterday as a base for this cake. And it is a wonderful dessert that you can use for if you're going to have company or any kind of special day that you can think of. It'd be a good for Mother's Day. And you don't necessarily have to use a homemade pound cake like I'm doing. You could use one from the store, or you could even use an angel food cake or anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So in my Ninja, I am going to add 1 pound of fresh strawberries. So I'm just going to toss these in here, like so. These were some really nice strawberries that I got at the Food Lion the other day, so I think that these are going to work really well. They seem to be pretty sweet. Nice. Alright. And then to that, oops, there's one that got away. And to that, I'm going to add 1/2 a cup of sugar. Alright, and let's just... Okay, this is going to get loud, so bear with me just for a moment, and we're going to go ahead and turn this on. Okay, so we have a pretty nice strawberry puree there. Oops, dripped a little bit. Turn that down. Let me just get a spoon, and I'm going to taste of it, make sure that it's sweet enough. Oh yeah, that is really good. Okay. Now I have my 2.75 quart baking dish, and we're going to, this couldn't be easier, I tell you. We are going to do use this Reddi Whip. Hold on just a minute while I get this open. And we're just going to line our pan with it. Alright. So there's the first layer. Now to that, I'm going to put in that cream cheese pound cake that I made yesterday. And if you drop a piece like I did, it's no big deal. Break that one in half and put it right there. Alright. And now to that, get your blades out of here, hold on. We're going to pour our puree right on top. Alright. Okay, let me grab a clean spoon here, and we're just going to kind of spread this around. And that cake is going to soak this up, and it is going to be really, really good. Okay, and we're going to make another layer of the Reddi Whip. Boy, it is splashing all over me. Oh, goodness. Alright, and then to that, I'm going to add another layer of my pound cake. And it looks like I didn't hardly cut enough, so I'm going to cut a couple more slices here. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm trimming off all this part, like right here, that just the crusty edges, because I don't really want those in my dessert. So we're going to trim those parts off, the crusty parts. But I'm going to leave the top, because the top is always really super moist and delicious. So I'm going to leave that top piece, but I'm going to cut off and trim these edges. Okay, and let's just cut this piece in half, and we're going to lay it right there. And I'm going to pour on the rest of that puree. Now this works really well if y'all have ever had a cake stick to the pan and you just didn't know what you were going to do. You could always tear it up into pieces instead of the slices like I have here. You could always tear that up into pieces, and that would work really well. Alright, let's put another layer of the Reddi Whip in. Alright, I have another one here. It looks like the end of that one. So alright, shake this up really good. Alright. And now I'm going to take a spoon and just kind of smooth that out just a little bit. Like that. You want to make sure I get it all covered. Put a little more right in those spots right there. Now if you wanted to, you could always garnish this with a few sliced strawberries on top here, and that would make a very pretty dessert if you wanted to take it to a potluck or anything like that. Okay, and there it is. So what we're going to do now, we're going to cover this. My pan has a little snap lid that I like really well for doing this. And you can see the pretty layering on the underside of it here, how nice that looks. So this is actually a pretty dessert to take with you too. Okay, well what I will do is I will be back with you when I spoon this up and show you what it looks like. Okay, our strawberry dessert has been chilling for about 1 hour, and this is what it looks like. And I did garnish it with some fresh strawberries. So I'm going to take a little out and put it in a serving bowl. And there is what it looks like. So let me grab a little spoon, and got to get a taste of it. Can't just let that go. Okay, here we go. Let's see what it tastes like. That's very, very good. Very refreshing. Very good summertime dessert. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. I'd love to read those comments. So well, y'all have a great rest of the weekend, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.